Question number 1. What is the state of matter that has a fixed shape and volume? Solid, liquid, gas. Solid. Question number 2. What is the process called when a liquid changes into a gas? Melting, boiling, evaporation, condensation. Evaporation. Question number 3. What is the quantity of matter present in an object called weight, gram, mass, density? Mass. Question number 4. What happens to the particles of matter when it is heated? They move slower, they move faster, they remain stationary, they change direction, they move faster. Question number 5. The process that converts a solid into a gas directly is called evaporation, sublimation, condensation, melting. Sublimation. Question number 6. What happens when we apply pressure to the particles of matter? They move faster, they move slower, they come closer to each other, they move away from each other. They come closer to each other. Question number 7. What is the physical state of water at 25 degrees Celsius? Solid, liquid, gas. Liquid. Question number 8. The change of state from solid to liquid is called melting, boiling, freezing, sublimation. Melting. Question number 9. Which of the following states of matter has neither fixed shape nor fixed volume? Solid, liquid, gas, gas. Question number 10. Particles of matter are continuously moving. This motion is due to their kinetic energy, heat energy, potential energy, none of this. Kinetic energy. Question number 11. The temperature at which a solid melts to become a liquid is called boiling point, melting point, freezing point, none of the above. Melting point. Question number 12. The process in which a liquid change into a solid is called melting, boiling, freezing, evaporation. Freezing. Question number 13. Which with increase in temperature, the kinetic energy of the particles decrease, increase, remains constant, none of these. Increase. With increase in temperature, the kinetic energy of particles increase. Question number 14. Matter is made up of tiny particles called molecules, atoms, both A and B, none of the above. Both A and B. Matter is made up of tiny particles called molecules and atoms, both A and B. Question number 15. Which of the following is a characteristic of gases? Fixed shape, fixed volume, highly compressible, none of the above. Highly compressible. Question number 16. Which of the following is an example of a physical change? Burning of paper, melting of ice, rusting of iron, none of the above. Melting of ice. Question number 17. The change of state from gas to liquid is called condensation, evaporation, melting, freezing. Condensation. Question number 18. Which of the following has the least intermolecular force of attraction? Solids, liquids, gases, none of the above. Gases. Gases has the least intermolecular force of attraction? Question number 19. Matter can exist in how many states? 2, 3, 4, 5. 3. Solids, liquids, and gases. Matter can exist in 3 states. Question number 20. Which of the following is a physical change? Burning of fuel, melting of wax, rusting of iron, none of the above. Melting of wax. Physical change. Melting of wax. Question number 21. The temperature at which a liquid starts boiling is called melting point, boiling point, freezing point, none of the above. Boiling point. The temperature at which a liquid starts boiling is called its boiling point. Question number 22. Intermixing of particles of two different types of matter in their own is called evaporation, diffusion, sublimation, none of these. Diffusion. Question number 23. Diffusion is maximum in solids, liquids, gases, none of this. Gases. Question number 24. Evaporation causes heating, cooling, no change in temperature, none of the above. Cooling. Evaporation causes cooling. Question number 25. Which of the following is not a property of liquids? Fixed volume, fixed shape, take the shape of the container, none of the above. Fixed shape. Fixed shape is not a property of liquids. Question number 26. The boiling point of a liquid depends on pressure, temperature, volume, mass, pressure, and temperature also. Question number 27. The rate of evaporation increases with increase in temperature, decrease in temperature, increase in humidity, decrease in surface area. The rate of evaporation increases with increase in temperature. Question number 28. The amount of heat required to change the state of a substance is called specific heat, latent heat, heat capacity, none of the above. Latent heat. The amount of heat required to change the state of a substance is called latent heat. Question number 29. The smell of perfume is spreads due to diffusion, osmosis, compression, expansion. Diffusion. Question number 30. The temperature at which a solid melts to become a liquid is called boiling point, melting point, freezing point, none of the above. Melting point. The temperature at which a solid melts to become a liquid is called melting point.